Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Casey Neistat, and today we're diving headfirst into the world of freelancing. It's a realm where creativity meets opportunity and the hustle is real. The challenge? To make a cool $100 in just 24 hours. Sounds intense, right? Can it be done? Let's find out. We're about to put our skills to the ultimate test. We're talking about using your skills, any skills, to make money online on your own terms. Whether it's writing, designing, coding, or something else entirely. No boss, no alarm clock, just pure hustle and the potential for some serious cash. Imagine the freedom that comes with it. This isn't about getting rich quick though. It's about the grind, the effort, and the satisfaction of earning through your own skills. This is about testing the waters, seeing if you can turn your talents into cold, hard cash in a short amount of time. It's a real-world experiment. Whether you're a writer, a graphic designer, a programmer, or you possess some other unique skill set, there's a niche for everyone. There's a whole world of freelancing opportunities out there waiting to be explored. The possibilities are endless, so buckle up, because we're about to embark on a 24-hour freelancing frenzy. It's going to be a wild ride. We're going to create profiles, browse job boards, pitch our services, and hopefully, just hopefully, rake in that $100. Let's do this. Stay tuned and watch the magic unfold. First things first, we need to build a presence. This is the foundation of our freelancing journey. Time to create profiles on popular freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. These platforms are essential for connecting with potential clients. These platforms are like digital marketplaces where freelancers and clients connect. They offer a wide range of opportunities. Think of your profile as your online resume. It's your chance to make a great first impression. Highlight your skills, experience, and anything else that makes you stand out from the crowd. Make it pop. This is your moment to shine. Use strong verbs, showcase your personality, and don't be afraid to brag a little. Confidence is key. A killer profile can make all the difference. It can attract the right clients and set you up for success. With our profile set up, it's time to dive into the job boards. This is where the real hunt begins. There are literally thousands of gigs available at any given time, ranging from writing blog posts to designing logos to building websites. The possibilities are endless. The key is to find projects that match your skills and interests. This ensures you deliver your best work. Don't be afraid to be picky. Quality over quantity is the name of the game. The more excited you are about a project, the better your work will be. Passion fuels productivity. Plus, happy freelancers are productive freelancers, and we've got a $100 goal to reach. Let's get started and make it happen. Now comes the hard part, waiting for responses. It's a nerve-wracking experience, especially when you're on a tight deadline. But don't just sit there refreshing your inbox every 5 seconds. Use this time wisely. Review your profile, tweak your portfolio, and start brainstorming ideas for future projects. The more proactive you are, the better your chances of success. Remember, freelancing is a marathon, not a sprint. Finally, after what feels like an eternity, a response. A potential client is interested in your services. They've reviewed your profile, checked out your portfolio, and they like what they see. This is your chance to shine. Craft a personalized message, highlighting your skills and experience, and explaining why you're the perfect fit for the project. Be professional, be enthusiastic, and most importantly, be yourself. Section 4, Work Mode. On the clock, delivering the goods. Boom, you landed the gig. Now it's time to deliver. This is where your skills and expertise come into play. Whether you're writing, designing, coding, or doing something else entirely, give it your all. Remember, your reputation is on the line. High-quality work leads to happy clients, which leads to positive reviews, and more work in the future. It's a virtuous cycle. Don't be afraid to communicate with your client throughout the process. Keep them updated on your progress, ask clarifying questions, and address any concerns they may have. Clear communication is key to a successful freelance project. Section 5, Success, the $100 mark and a little extra. This milestone is more than just a number, it's a testament to your hard work and dedication. And there it is, folks, the moment you've been working towards. The project is complete, delivered on time and exceeding expectations. You've shown what you're capable of. The client is thrilled, you're proud of your work, and the positive feedback is the cherry on top. And best of all, you've just added a cool $100 or more to your bank account. Mission accomplished. This is a significant step forward. But it's not just about the money, it's about the journey and the growth. It's about the feeling of accomplishment, the sense of victory, the satisfaction of knowing that you used your skills to create something valuable. Your efforts have paid off. It's about the freedom and flexibility that comes with being your own boss, the ability to work from anywhere. This 24-hour challenge has shown us that freelancing can be a viable way to make money quickly. It's not always easy, but it's possible. It requires hard work, dedication, and perseverance. And yes, a bit of luck too. But for those willing to put in the effort, the rewards can be substantial and deeply fulfilling. The journey is challenging, but the sense of achievement makes it all worthwhile. Section 6. Freelancing hustle, reward, and the freedom to choose. So, what have we learned from this whirlwind freelancing adventure? We've learned that it's possible to make money online, on your own terms, and in a relatively short amount of time. We've learned that freelancing requires a unique combination of skills, hustle, and self-discipline. But most importantly, we've learned that freelancing can be incredibly rewarding. It's about more than just making money. It's about freedom, flexibility, and the satisfaction of building something from the ground up. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash on the side or build a full-time freelance career, the possibilities are endless. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start freelancing. Peace out.